Hello, ma'am.
Hi,
So, how are you?
I'm good.
So, you have trained Togo with us.
You have trained Togo for us.
So, what are the things that you were struggling with initially before you reached out?
Before we reached out, we were basically struggling with Togo's complete क्या कहते हैं inability to follow commands
Ah,
completely, and his as per his age, probably his excitement and his hyper nature. That is what was the most
what were the incidents, if any, that you can recall?
incidents. Like it was like you could not take him out anywhere. So whenever we had to take him out, we had to ensure that there's nobody around, and then you just quickly take him out, for his whatever his susu break, potty breaks, and then get him back, because seeing people around, anybody around other than the family,
Ah.
he used to just drag us, and then there was no and no control, nothing. So that was
After that, any incident that you can recall?
incidents. I mean, we came here. Like I can tell you, when we came here,
Hmm.
there was this house help who used to come.
Hmm.
And one day, I think Bhaiya and all were not around, and she thought that she's coming every day. So the dog is seeing me, अपनी दोस्ती हो गई.
Hmm.
She came and Togo saw कि कोई और नहीं है. The way he charged at that girl, and he literally held her calf. And उसके बाद she never came back. So one of the many incidents like that. So yeah, I mean, and he doesn't now we understand that it was not out of, like, he's not a ferocious dog, but
हाँ.
that anxiety or
हाँ,
whatever.
उसका थोड़ा सा यंग डॉग है,
हाँ,
एडल्ट डॉग
वही,
है,
वही।
इसे इंटैक्ट होता है, थोड़ा खुद का मनमर्जी होता है.
होता है, exactly.
But then again, it's a good thing. So right now, what are the things that you are able to enjoy right now?
Like, the best part of what is, like, you can take him, you can walk him out without having to struggle to, he's pulling you and you are pulling him, and the entire mood goes. In fact, we didn't walk him for the longest time. When we were here, it was just morning, फटाफट बाहर लेके जाओ, अंदर कर दो टोगो को. But now I, like, in the morning, अभी तो even I have started doing that. I take him out and without the leash on him, and just take him out, and he started
I did not
listening.
know about that you are walking him.
Yeah, morning तो मैं ही लेके जाती हूँ.
अच्छा.
And Swami Bhaiya holds him,
हाँ,
but
हाँ.
otherwise I am with Swami Bhaiya.
हाँ.
But like now I take him. Normally I used to get scared कि with his weight and all, वो मुझे खींचेगा तो क्या. अभी तो आराम से he's with me and walking and all that. So it's like now
So even
it's.
took him for swimming also, no?
Swimming. In fact, I hope we can take him more often, at least once, before I leave Calcutta, because or maybe some place where he'll get a chance. But that was an experience. That was, in fact, I've shared those videos with everybody in the family, and it's been like, oh my God, So that was fun, and I hope he remembers it and that reflects. So next time, wherever I find water, I can just put him in water and flip he goes. So, yeah, that was a good experience. That was a wonderful experience. In fact, that place was also so nice. And for Togo to kind of,
Have
the
been habituated to that.
He was very happy. He was really, really happy.
It was also a good experience, like for me also. 'Cause I did not expect कि वो करेगा.
करेगा. No. In fact, when my sister-in-law saw the video, so she was laughing. She says, I'm not able to understand whether Togo is having a better time or Togo's dad is having a better time. That was her comment. She says, किसको ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है? So, it was good. It was really good. It was really good. And Togo it has been. So now even when people come home, otherwise it used to be like, he's locked inside, and it used to weigh on my mind. कोई भी घर में we in fact didn't call people home, because we knew कि घर में आएंगे ये बेचारा बंद होगा. It's a pain for him. So, but now we've started calling people home, and it is not that he's too suddenly he's become friendly, but like if the muzzle on
tolerant
next
enough
to you, so he listens to the command.
Fantastic, good
The
enough.
minute you start moving out, so he also moves out. But then अगर आप बैठे हो तो he's sitting with you, and people can come, sit, talk. So that's
I mean, you eventually get to include him in his day-to-day
yes,
in your
absolutely.
That's the whole point of having a companion dog.
And it's so good that you came, and it was like, I think we took almost 4-5 months to decide कि बुलाएं नहीं बुलाएं, कुछ इसका होगा, because we है, इसका कौन क्या कर सकता है, टोगो का कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता. But then we thought कि चलो let's give it a try, maybe, and then.
And the best part was, I feel कि I mean, he learned how to channelize entire frustration on the tug.
On the tug.
Because otherwise उसका वो नहीं हो रहा
नहीं हो रहा था नहीं
Self-
एंड दैट बेसिक कमांड देखिए लाइक यू नो अभी भी वो लाइक अ जीएसडी ही विल ट्राई टू ब्रेक अ कमांड
Hmm.
बट ही अंडरस्टैंड्स नाउ कि उसको मना करा है दैट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट यू नो आई मीन दैट इज आई हैव सीन जैसे हम वॉक पे भी लेके जाती हूँ ओ माय गॉड एक बार तो भाग गया था he ran after the dogs अभी with स्वामी अभी वीक बैक
हाँ
बीच पे था सडनली वो टनल से निकले कहीं वो मिला एक डॉग एंड ही रश्ड एंड नो नथिंग
हाँ।
बट ही वेंट फॉर अबाउट अ मिनट एंड ही रियलाइज कि ही इज ब्रोकन द कमांड
हाँ
अब मैं आप वापस आके बिल्कुल वेरी शीपिशली ही सिटिंग की अब मैं क्या करूं एंड ही गॉट टू फ्रॉम मी so that is you know it's such a big change and such a wonderful change actually having a dog so he enjoys his walks now and we enjoy his walks good all thanks to you
थैंक यू मैम